Hi, I'm Mike from Discover IBT. In this short video I will show you how to set up and use your Infinity Pen with Hive. To get started, on the back of the pen you'll see 5 small notches. Give these a firm push downwards and up to open the back of the pen. You'll need one AAA battery to power the pen. Remove the supplied USB dongle and connect it to your display. Once the dongle is plugged in, you may need to enable the pen within the Hive settings. To do this, head over to the menu wheel, then Settings. With the Settings tab selected, scroll down on the save options until you see Support Hardware Pen. Make sure this is selected and click OK to apply. You may need to restart Hive in order for these settings to take effect. So now your pen is set up, you can get to work. On the face of the pen you will see 6 numbered buttons. As default, these buttons are assigned to a specific tool to help speed up your workflow. A long press of button number 1 brings up the hard pen tool. A single press cycles through a selection of preset colours. Buttons 2 and 3 are used for switching between your Hive boards. A long press of button number 4 brings up the highlighter pen tool. Again, you can cycle through the colours with a single press of number 1. A single press of number 4 cycles through the line thickness, eventually hitting a maximum size, at which point it starts from the smallest again. The number 5 button brings up the One Touch tool, the perfect palette of tools for quick annotations on any program. Use the number 4 button to cycle through the One Touch features. A single press of 5 will close the One Touch tool. Holding down button 5 activates desktop mode, minimising Hive and taking you to your home screen. A single press of the number 6 button activates the gyro feature, allowing you to interact with your board without touching it, using button 2 as your selection tool. Pressing 6 again deactivates this feature. Holding down button 6 activates the handwriting recognition tool, automatically converting your handwriting into a standard editable text format. The Infinity Pen buttons can be customised by assigning your favourite tools via the settings. Navigate over to Pen Settings, and from here you want to make sure the Infinity Pen 1 is selected. Using the drop down menus, you can assign your favourite tools to the numbered buttons, pressing OK to save your settings. Speed up your workflow with the Infinity Pen.